Hello YouTube, this is Gigantic Yeti Mark here with a small Dollar Tree Pokemon pack opening. I got 3 of the regular Sun and Moon, and I have some more packs. I'm gonna do these 3 and let's just get into it. Please subscribe to my subscribe to my channel and hit that likes button. And comment it in the bottom on what you think I pulled today. So let's see what I got. Okay. Nothing really. I guess this is the rare. Yungoos. That's my leg. That just came from outside. I don't want to open. Work with me. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I got reverse Corsola. I'll sleep that up later. That up there. I'm jumping it down here. Last pack. I just got a root canal done today. I might sound a little weird, but that's my day. Nope. Oh, okay, so Galio GX. I got a Solgaleo GX. And then an energy. So those are the pulls for right now. This is what I got. See that right there. Here's my Solgaleo. My first Solgaleo. So subscribe to this channel. Hit that likes button. When you subscribe to this channel, hit the little notification button to get to my latest videos, and I will be making other videos. So this is Gigantic Yeti Mark signing out.